Good morning students. Today we will discuss exercise 7.4. In the previous video we discussed the formulas used in exercise 7.4. In question number 1, the statement is I is equal to 3x square dx upon x power 6 plus 1. In this question, first we write x power 6 as x cube whole square plus 1 dx. In this, we first put x cube equals to t. Differentiate this with respect to x. So, 3x square dx is equals to dt. When we put the value of 3x square dx dt upon t square plus 1 whole square. As we know, in the previous video, we discussed the formula a square plus x square or x square plus a square, which is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Here a is 1, so this is tan inverse t plus c. Value of t is x cube. This is the integral of this question. In second question, I is equals to dx upon 1 plus 4x square. First of all, you should remember, for applying a formula, the coefficient of x square is always unity. To make this coefficient unity, we take 4 common. When we take its outside from square root, it is 1 on 2. So this is 1 by 4 plus x square. So we write this 1 by 4 as 1 upon 2 whole square plus x square. This is the formula of square root of a square plus x square, which is log x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c. This is the answer. In question number 3, I is equals to dx upon square root of 2 minus x square plus 1. In this, we first put 2 minus x is equal to t. When we differentiate this with respect to x, dx is equals to minus dt. So it's minus dt upon square root of t square plus 1, which is the formula of log t plus t square plus 1 plus c. Put value of t, that's 2 minus x. In fourth part, I is equals to dx upon square root of 9 minus 25 x square. First of all, we make this coefficient unity. For this, take 1 by 25 common, which is 1.5 outside the square root, and this is 9 by 25 minus x square. We write this 9 by 25 as 3 upon 5 whole square minus x square. This is the formula of sine inverse x upon a. So this is the integral of this question. In question number 5, the statement is 3x upon 1 plus 2x power 4. First we make the coefficient of x4 unity by taking 2 common and write x4 as x square whole square, and then put x square is equal to t. So 2x dx equals to dt. X dx is dt upon 2. This is 3 by 4 dt upon b. Write this as 1 upon root 2 square plus t square. So this is the formula of 1 upon a is 1 upon root 2 tan inverse This is the formula. So put the value of t, you will get the answer. In the next question, that's question number 6. The statement is so question number 6 is I is equals to x square upon 1 minus x power 6 dx. We write this as x cube whole square. As we know, the derivative of x cube is 3x square. So we put x cube equals to t. Its derivative is 3x square. Dx is dt. So x square dx is dt upon 3. This is dt upon 3. This is 1 minus t square. We write it as 1 whole square. This is the formula of 1 over 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. Put value of t, which is 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube. This is the answer. In question number 7, I is equals to x minus 1 upon x square minus 1. So we first write separate these two terms, that's x square minus 1 dx and dx upon square root of x square minus 1. As we know, differentiation of x square is 2x. So we divide this by 2 and multiply also by 2 and take this term in the numerator and write this as x square minus a square. So this is the derivative of this. So we add 1 to the power, which is minus half plus 1 half, divide same by this. This is the formula of log. So this is the answer. This cancel out. This is the answer of this question. In next question, the statement is question number 8. I is equal to x square upon x power whole 6 plus a power 6. We write first it as x cube whole square plus a cube whole square and put x cube is equals to t. So its derivative is 3x square dx is equal to dt and x square dx is dt upon 3. So this is 1 upon 3 dt upon t square plus a cube square. This is the formula of log x plus a square plus x square. Put value of t, which is x cube. So it's x cube plus x cube is x6 plus a power 6. This is the answer. In question number 9, the statement is question number 9. The statement is dx upon tan secant square dx upon tan square x plus 4. As we know, the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So first we put tangent x is equal to t and differentiate this with respect to x. So we have dt upon t square, 4 write as 2 square. This is the formula of log x plus a square plus x square. Put value of t, which is tan x. So its answer is log tan x plus tan square x plus 4. In question number 10, I is equal to dx upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 2. If in the question there is a quadratic equation, first we make it perfect square. For perfect square, first the coefficient of x, which is 2, make this coefficient first half. This means half of 2 is 1. Add its square and subtract its square from the equation. So it becomes an identity a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a plus b whole square, and this is 1 square. So this is the formula of 1 upon a, which is 1, tan inverse x upon a, which is again 1. Complete square means, first of all, see the coefficient of x, take its half and add its square, same subtract its square. You will get the identity, and this is the formula. So thank you.